After watching my first video, my friend requested me to draw Zoro in the next video. So today I'm going to draw Zoro. I have this large art paper. Let's cut it to the right size. The paper is ready. Now let's make the grid. The grid is done. Now it's time to start drawing. My friend didn't send me any reference picture, so let's search a picture. Among all the pictures, I like this one most, so I'll draw it using my Black Beauty pencil. We'll start with the basic shapes.
Smoking back, that's a fact. Scrappy used to trap, I might just double back, make it stack. Shorty give me neck and I'ma break her back, never lack. Niggas send the shots, we going to
try to capture his strong, determined expression. I don't press too hard when drawing, but I have to draw because it looks clear on camera. The drawing is done. Now, let's erase the extra lines. My pencil has done its job, so it's going by itself. Now it's time to start painting. Let's keep every paint materials in one place. Now everything is ready. It's time to bring Zoro to life with some color. Let's start with skin tone. Keep the colors light. The skin is done. Now I'll paint the shirt. The shirt color is done. Next, I'll color the remaining parts. Once that's finished, the first layer will be complete. The first layer is done. Now let's move to the second layer. This is where we add depth. We'll add shadows and highlights to make Zoro look more realistic. Pay attention to where the light source is coming from and use darker. The second layer is done. Now it's time for the outline. I'm using a gel pen, but you can use any dark black pen.
I think I had enough. For this money got me acting up. Niggas be mad as fuck, cause they know I got.
Keep the lines bold but smooth. This is my favorite step because it makes the drawing look sharp and detailed. It takes a lot of patience, but the result is amazing. Be careful with small details. Take your time and enjoy the process. The outline is completed. Now, let's add the finishing touches.
I'm on my grind, no Tony. Bitches gon' hate, they phony. Money stay on my side, never.
We're nearly finished. Now, I use a brush pen to enhance the color saturation. The final touches will enhance the drawing even more. Correct any minor errors and ensure everything looks clean. We'll add any remaining details, refine the colors, and make sure everything is perfect. I'm excited to complete it.
And I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love.
After that, I'll add some scratch on Zoro's body and white highlights for extra effect.
Listen to the notes, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of
just a moment, and now our drawing is complete. It's time for the final review.
And I hope you let me in, yeah.
I'm really happy with how it turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.